Number 8 is the tension absorber. For example, you are nervously laughing in front of the person who is rude to you. So this is an attitude wherein you are laughing even when you are being humiliated, insulted, or worse, being shouted at, especially when you know that you are in the right side, especially when you know that you are the right or correct one. Always remember, it's not a sign of niceness, just in case if you think that if you do that, you are nice or patient. No, it's actually a sign of weakness. So a more effective and elegant show of strength is by being quiet, is by being silent. So let their inappropriate behavior hang in the air, and thus they will feel awkward. You can just be silent and then walk away. That's it. And if you do this, they will instead feel shame in their actions. Stay silent. Let their awkwardness hang.